Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial of Laravel Marketplace DHL Shipping plugin. Now using this particular plugin, you will be able to integrate DHL Shipping within your Marketplace web store and provide DHL Shipping to your customers so that they can select an appropriate DHL Shipping method at the time of checkout to get their orders delivered at their doorstep using the DHL Shipping service. This shipping method is one of the most trusted shipping method in terms of cost, product delivery, and now it's available with the Bagisto marketplace. Kindly note that this particular plugin is an add-on to the Bagisto marketplace module. So to use this plugin, you must have first installed the webcool's Bagisto marketplace itself. Now the admin can enable or disable the marketplace DHL shipping method. The admin can set the marketplace DHL shipping title name that is shown at the front end at the time of checkout to the customers. The admin can allow the marketplace sellers to save their DHL credentials so that they can provide the DHL shipping method for their products itself. Apart from that, the DHL shipping rates will be calculated from the seller's address, and dynamic shipping method for freight calculation is there, and it provides ability to download the invoice and shipping easily. So in today's video tutorial, I'll be taking you through the workflow at the customer's end, the initial configuration settings, how to set up the origin of the store, and lastly I'll be showing you how the sellers can save their DHL credentials under their own account panel. But before I proceed further with this particular video tutorial there, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates from our end. And if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. So right now you can see that I'm at the marketplace web store front end, and here I'm on one of the products, that's the t-shirt, as you can see. So first we'll check the customer's workflow. So the customers need to add the product into the cart by tapping on the add to cart button, and the product would be added into the cart thereafter. So you can see that the product has been added into the cart. Now if I tap here and tap on the checkout button, we'll be redirected to the checkout page, wherein the customer needs to select their address or can enter a new address as well, wherein they want to get the delivery of the particular order that they are going to place. So here I've already added the address as 32 Street Lane, 90001, California, United States. So I'll select that up, and after that you can see that automatically under the select shipping method here we have the different DHL shipping methods that are available right now. Like we have the Medical Express, Express Worldwide, DHL Shipping Express Worldwide, and we have the Express 1200 hours there for DHL Shipping Express 1200 hours. So here you can see that the customers are able to see the particular marketplace DHL shipping methods, and from these method names they can select any one of them that they find appropriate for their order. So for example, we'll go with the DHL Shipping Express Worldwide, and we'll be selecting that up. After selecting that up, we can scroll down and we can select the payment method that we want to choose for this particular order. Under the order summary, here you can see the shipping address is there, and here we have the shipping cost, that's $123.71, and the chosen method name for the DHL shipping is Express Worldwide. Here as well you can see the delivery charges as 123.71 cents, and here as well under the cart summary we are able to see the delivery charges that are going to be applicable on this particular order for the respective DHL shipping method name that the customer has selected. Thereafter the customer just needs to tap on the place order button and the order would get placed thereafter. After the order has been successfully placed, we can tap on the continue shopping, or we can navigate to the order section to view the particular order that we have placed. So here's the order with the total $623.71, and if I tap here on the view button and the actions column, I'll be able to see the shipping and handling that was applicable on this particular order, that was $123.71. And here under the shipping method I can see that I've selected DHL shipping and the method name is Express Worldwide as per the requirement there. The customer can view the same there. Now this was the customer's workflow. Now let me take you to the initial configuration settings for this particular plugin, that's the Laravel Marketplace DHL Shipping plugin. For that we'll go to the backend of the Bagisto web store, and here we'll be entering the email address, password, and tapping on the sign in button to sign into the admin backend panel. Now, after the successful installation of this particular plugin, that's the Laravel Marketplace DHL Shipping plugin, what we need to do is we need to navigate to configure, and here under the configuration we have to go to sales. Let me tap on the sales section, and under the sales we have the very first tab or the option, that's the shipping option here, wherein we can set the origin of the store. So here you can see that I've set the origin of the store as United States. The state is California, the street address, zip code, and the store name has been added. After setting up the origin of the store, now let's see the initial configuration settings for the shipping method itself. That's the Marketplace DHL Shipping there. So for that, we'll go to the shipping methods. Under shipping methods, we'll navigate to the Marketplace DHL Shipping, as you can see here, and this is visible only after the successful installation of the particular shipping method. So here you can set up the title that would be visible to the customers at the time of checkout. So this is the same title that was visible to the customer while he selected his address. After selecting the address, he was able to see the particular title there with the method names as well. Then we have the type as per unit or per order. So you can apply the DHL shipping according to per unit or per order as per your own requirement there. You can set up the description for the Marketplace DHL shipping as well. That would be visible to the customers. Then you can enable it for the checkout by enabling this toggle button to the right hand side. Otherwise, to disable this particular shipping method, you can disable it. So we'll enable it up. Then you can choose to make use of this particular shipping method in the sandbox or the testing mode or the production mode. Right now it's in the sandbox mode or the testing mode, and accordingly we have entered the XSID, password, account number according to the testing mode credentials there. If you want to make use in the production or the live environment, then you need to disable this particular option, and you need to enter the XSID, password, account number according to the live credential details that you will get from the DHL shipping website itself. After you have registered yourself as a customer there, you'll be able to receive the XSID, password, and the account number, and those details needs to be filled up here within the access ID, password, and the account number. So we'll enable the testing mode for the time being, and here we'll be entering the access ID, password, account number. Then we have to select the weight unit there, so we can choose between kilograms and pounds as per the requirement there. Then we can choose the dimension unit as inches or centimeters. We can choose the content type as documents or non-documents as per the requirement. Then we can choose the allowed methods that should be visible to the customers at the checkout time there. So here you can see that we have the Express Worldwide, Express 9 AM, Express 10:30 AM, Domestic Express, and many others as well. So according to your requirement, the ones that you want to enable, you can select them up by tapping the control and using the mouse left button to select the ones that you want to enable, or the shipping methods that you want to enable for the DHL shipping plugin itself. Or you can go with the control A and allow all the shipping methods to be available there. Then we have the ready time. This is the package ready time after the order has been placed. So you can set up the ready time in hours as per the requirement there. Then we have allow sellers to save DHL details. So from here you can enable or disable to allow the sellers of the marketplace to save their DHL details. If enabled, then the sellers would be able to add their DHL details under their own account panel. Then we have allowed shipping for countries. So here you can allow the countries where this DHL shipping would be available. You can select as per your own requirement, or go with the control A to provide the shipping to all of the countries there. Then we have the price exchange API key. So you need to navigate to this particular URL and get your price exchange API key, and you need to enter that up. And then you have to enter the error message that would be displayed if the shipping method is not available. So at the checkout time, if the shipping method is not available, whichever error message that you have entered here or the custom message that you have entered here would be visible to the customers at the checkout time. After configuring these details here, you just need to tap here on the save button to save the configuration settings. Now let me take you to the other end, that's the vendor's end. So the vendors would be able to see the orders that have been placed using the DHL shipping method by navigating to orders. And under orders, they'll with the particular order, like this one, that's $623.71. And here they can see the shipping and handling, that was $123.71. They can see the DHL shipping method that was used and the payment method that was used by the customers there to place the order. So this is the DHL shipping, and this is the method name that was used by the customers to place the order there. Now from here, the sellers can view the shipping method name and the amount that was applicable there on the particular order there. Now let me show you how the sellers would be able to save the DHL shipping details. Now here you can see that we have one option on the marketplace dashboard to the marketplace vendor there, that's the DHL shipping details. So if I tap on that, this will bring up this particular section wherein the vendor needs to enter the DHL account details. That includes the access ID, account number, password, and the ready time for the order after the order has been placed there. So you'll get these details from the DHL account that you have created on the DHL website, and you'll get your access ID, account number, and the password, and that needs to be entered here. After entering these details, now you'll be able to provide the DHL shipping method for your products within the marketplace itself as per the requirement there, right? Now for the order that has been placed, if I go to the sales, for example, and I'll go to the particular order, that's the order number 3 that we had placed. Right now you can see that none shipments have been created. If I want, I can create the shipments by tapping here on the shipment button. I can scroll down. Here we can see the shipment information for this particular order. That was the shipping method was DHL shipping, and the method name was Express Worldwide. The shipping price was $123.71 there. So here the seller or the admin, the sellers can also do the same for the orders that have been placed for their products, and the admin for his own products. So for example, I can set the carrier title here. I can enter the tracking number for the same, and here we can see the products ordered. We have to select the source, and after that we can tap here on the save shipment button to save the shipment itself, and the shipment would be created thereafter. So it will just take a second or so. So you can see that the shipment has been created successfully. Now if I go to the shipment section, here you can see that the shipment has been created with the carrier name, the tracking number, and from the view button I can view the particular shipment itself. So if I scroll down, here we can see that the shipping method name is DHL Shipping Express Worldwide. The shipping price is $123.71. Inventory source is default, carrier title is DHL, and the tracking number is this, and the products ordered is this, as you can see here itself. So yes, that was much about the Laravel Marketplace DHL Shipping plugin, and I hope it helped you out in understanding the workflow of the same, and it helped you to understand the customer workflow, how the customers can select the DHL shipping methods and the time of checkout after selecting or after entering their address details. The initial configuration settings required for this particular plugin in the admin backend panel, how to set the origin of this store, and how the sellers can save their DHL credentials under their own account panel by navigating to the marketplace section, and then going to the DHL shipping details section, and then entering the access ID, account number, password, and the ready time for their orders there itself. If you still have any questions, queries, suggestions, or requirements regarding the same, then you can anytime get back to us at support@webcool.com, or you can raise a ticket at webcool.uvidesk.com as well. Apart from that, if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. And lastly, thanks for watching this particular video, and have a great day ahead.